I want to show you in the end, once you fill out your profile, how your profile should look like.
This video is brought to you by Pies Academy.
And in the end, you'll have videos uploaded with every gig, and you see you'll have a lot of gigs like I have. And on the left side, if you look at it, you'll see you'll write a nice bio about yourself, and it will have some metrics about you. An important metric is average response time. When people message you, you want to respond quickly because it actually shows up right here, and that matters to buyers. The way you can do that is I have the Fiverr app, and I get messages on the app, and wherever I am, even if I'm on the go, I can get messages and I can answer. So it doesn't take a lot of my time, and really you just need to answer once. What they really track is the first response to a person. They're not going to track every possible response in the ensuing conversation. So I just try to respond relatively quickly, definitely within 24 hours to everybody, but at least respond once. If they keep writing to you and writing to you, that is not going to go into that measurement. So that's what you want. Then you want a description about yourself, the languages, your linked accounts, your skills are important here, education, and that's it. And then what's important is that all of your gigs that you create represent services, and each service has like SEO keywords in the title, right? Like here's SEO strategy, that's this gig. Then marketing strategy and marketing plan, that's this gig, and so on, like affiliate marketing coaching and so on and so on. So that's what I did, because the way people will find you is by searching those keywords. So if we look at the marketing plan keyword, I'm just going to type it here and we'll search. And at some point on the first page, I should be here. This is me. And sometimes I show up higher, sometimes lower. I kind of bounce around the first page. But what's important is that over time, you see, I have a lot more reviews than my competitors, like 349. But at the same time, look, the starting point is very reasonable, $15. Even all the less established competitors are, almost all of them are more expensive to start. So obviously the price is what people can see and the number of ratings and reviews. So mine are almost entirely better, and I have a relatively professional looking thumbnail that comes from the video. But if you look at it, most people actually don't buy the $15 version, because when I click this, you'll see that it only starts at $15, but really it goes up at different price points, and people can buy gig extras and different packages and so on. So this is just an entryway, but you want to make your entryway easier. The mistake I see sellers make is they start their account, they have no reviews, and they create expensive gigs, which is not a good look. If we go back to the search results and I see this person starting at $100, they only have one review, you don't know what you're going to get, you know? And also this person, they haven't leveled up yet. You see here, this level 2 seller, your seller rating matters. So that's something you do in the beginning. You kind of set a low price, and you can keep the price low in the beginning just so that it looks more attractive for people. Who do you think people are going to choose? The $95 service next to me or the $15 service? Obviously, all things being equal, they're going to explore the $15 service first, and then everything else second, just because it's cheaper. And obviously the only other metrics are a lot of reviews, which you're going to get over time, and you want to maintain a high rating as well. So that's really how you want to maintain your profile appearance and branding so that it looks professional.